Stars, like us, have a life cycle. They are born, they live, and they die. Their story begins in vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. These nebulae, often called stellar nurseries, are the birthplace of stars. Gravity pulls the gas and dust together. This process forms a dense core. The core heats up under immense pressure. Eventually, the core becomes hot and dense enough to ignite nuclear fusion. A star is born. These newborn stars come in different sizes and temperatures. Some are small and cool, like red dwarfs. Others are massive and hot, like blue giants. Our sun, a yellow dwarf, falls somewhere in between. But it's the red giants that capture our imagination. These stellar behemoths, with their fiery hues and immense size, tell a captivating tale of stellar evolution. As stars age, they consume the hydrogen fuel in their cores. This process of nuclear fusion is what makes them shine. Our sun, for example, is about halfway through its lifespan. It will continue to burn hydrogen for billions of years to come. But what happens when a star like our sun runs out of fuel? This is where the story of red giants begins. As a star exhausts its hydrogen supply, it starts to cool and expand. Its outer layers puff out, engulfing nearby planets. This expansion transforms the star into a red giant. The star's core contracts and heats up, eventually becoming hot enough to fuse helium into heavier elements. This process of nuclear fusion continues, creating heavier and heavier elements. Eventually, the star's core is no longer able to support itself. It collapses under its own gravity, triggering a catastrophic explosion known as a supernova. Supernovae are some of the most powerful events in the universe, briefly outshining entire galaxies. One of the most well-known red giants is Betelgeuse, a bright star in the constellation Orion. Betelgeuse is a supergiant, even larger and more massive than a typical red giant. It's nearing the end of its life, and astronomers believe it could explode in a supernova at any time. If Betelgeuse were to explode, it would be visible from Earth even during the day. The supernova would be a spectacular sight, illuminating the night sky for weeks or even months. While Betelgeuse is far enough away that its explosion wouldn't pose a threat to Earth, it would be a stark reminder of the immense power of the universe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, the cosmic family, red giants, and their stellar relatives. Red giants are just one stage in the life cycle of stars. Other celestial objects, like black holes, red dwarfs, and brown dwarfs, also play a role in the cosmic tapestry. Black holes are remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. They are so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. Red dwarfs are small, cool stars that are much less massive than our sun. They are the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy. Brown dwarfs, sometimes called failed stars, are objects that are not massive enough to sustain nuclear fusion in their cores. They are larger than planets but smaller than stars, occupying a unique niche in the cosmic hierarchy. Astronomers estimate that there are billions of red dwarfs and brown dwarfs in our galaxy alone. These faint, often overlooked objects outnumber stars like our sun. They represent a significant portion of the Milky Way's mass. New discoveries and unanswered questions. The ever-evolving universe. With advancements in telescopes and observational techniques, astronomers are constantly making new discoveries about red giants and other celestial objects. Recent observations have revealed details about the structure and composition of red giants, providing insights into the processes of stellar evolution. However, many questions remain unanswered. What triggers the exact moment of a supernova explosion? What is the ultimate fate of the material ejected into space by these stellar explosions? The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and red giants, with their fascinating life cycle and eventual demise, offer a glimpse into the grandeur and complexity of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we can expect to uncover even more secrets about these celestial giants and the role they play in the grand scheme of things. What other wonders await us out there, in the depths of space? The journey of discovery is far from over.